Welcome, today in front of me Honor 8X, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test. So just a couple of seconds ago I set here my fingerprint on this fingerprint scanner back of the device, and now just I'll by 5 or 6 times I'll just unlock the device with my fingerprint by just simple touch, and we'll see the difference between all the times and how fast the fingerprint fingerprint sensor unlock works on the Honor 8X. So let's start. And second, oh my god, really, that's really fast. I think that's less than 1 second, like less than half of seconds. So as can you see, the fingerprint sensor on the Honor 8X works really fast, and I think that's a really cool feature. If you like unlock methods like face recognition or the fingerprint sensor, I just suggest you to set up here the fingerprint on this device, but be sure that always your fingerprint scanner is clean, and also as your just fingers. So guys, I just suggest you to set up the fingerprint sensor unlock method on your device, and thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.